Not too much chopping here. We're actually going to use the Vitamix here. So again, I'm just going to go ahead and press them down. Just to hear that crack. You can do it exactly the same way that I did it. It's basically like a cross between garlic and a red onion.
Probably to do anything.
Yeah.
That's right.
Again, you just want to use the leaves. So that way we're only getting the leaves. You can kind of use the tines right here. So that way you can just go ahead and pull that part off. And that way you're not stuck with all this stem over here. I mean, it helps a lot more with like a steel fork.
Oh.
So that we are holding both of them.
About the same size, right?
Yeah, you take 3 of them and then just like go to town on it. Not
Mark has
recommended
put
though.
together 2 knives. He's holding them parallel and he's chopping his parts.
Like this by hand the whole time. Bring it back. That's if you really wanted it finely minced.
Okay.
Ready for like garnish. But since we're throwing it in here, alright, so we're gonna put our balsamic vinegar in, 3 tablespoons.